Hey folks, got home a little late. Karen got us a deal today. Tell them about your deal.
I'll let you tell them about our deal. You tell them.
Heather, you want to tell them about our deal? What'd we just go get? Got 19, if you can see them, 19 free, what I think's Cornish cross. And man, they are huge. They're gonna get processed probably next week. There's a couple of smaller ones in there, but most all of them, I would say 8 pounds. Yeah, pretty big. Our poultry net comes in tomorrow. It's almost perfect timing, but we just threw them in this fenced in area right now. Got old ER to protect them right here, and our other ones are already gone to bed for the night. Whew. We was already tired when we went and got these, and the lady had a pen that was about 10 by 20, which is pretty easy to catch them in if normally, but they had a roof on it that was 4 foot tall, and people that are 5 foot and 6 foot having to hunker down in there to go get them. Whew. Whew. There's a lot of work, but we'll see how many's left in here in the morning. $19 of them right now, so we'll see.